posted a teaser a few days ago. Hope most of y'all seen it, but if you didn't, I've got a new addition to the shop. Y'all take a look at this. Can anyone guess what it is? I will tell you, from the first time I seen one of these, I wanted one. Plus, the color is something I've been wanting for quite some time. Now, I'm a Ford guy, right? So, without further ado, let's take a look at this thing. Oh, by the way, I've already been in it, just like a kid on Christmas morning. I can't wait to unwrap my presents, but I saved some stuff, you know, to show y'all. Okay, that's too aggravating. That's supposed to be the simple way to do it. It tells you this is how they want you to open it. Maybe if I do it one at a time. Yeah, there it is. There it goes. I thought there was more to it. Just tear it apart like I've been doing. Ta-da! So I've already tore the protective film off the top here. And I've already took some of the inside stuff out of the bags. But let's walk through it and talk about it a little bit. So this is a sliding top roll cart. Here's the thing. This is a 40, it's a 40 incher. It's a 40 and a half, I think, with these bumpers. My other one is 33. It's about a 7-inch difference. One of the other big differences though, is in the sliding top in this one, there's not a drawer underneath the sliding top. In this one, there's a drawer. It's a little stiff. So both the sides have them. It gives you a little bit extra use of the space. Let me show you on this other one. So it's according to really how you use these boxes, which you can see I've got a lot of unused space here. The only thing that's even somewhat high on there is that socket rail. So these are stainless steel tops. And I was worried about them being magnetic because, you know, most grades of stainless, I think, are non-magnetic, but this one's magnetic, so That's good. Well, because there's a few things I want to keep on the top, keep up there, magnetic. So as y'all can see, it's a 6-drawer. These drawers are roughly 2 inches each, except for the bottom one. What was that bottom one? Was it 6 inches? It's an 8-inch drawer, and I think these are 4s. So these are 4s. This one's an 8-inch drawer. And then I think, nope, not there. This drawer is my speed drawer. Pretty neat. It comes with all the dividers. I've already got the keys in the house. I didn't even open this up. I just took the keys out of here. The other side has a cool little keychain. So just a few specs on this. It's 20 inches deep, it's 40.5 inches wide, and it's 46 inches tall. Along with these 6 drawers, of course, it's got the 2 in the top, plus the inside the top is roughly 7 inches. Or you got about 7 inches of clearance. Let's measure that. Okay, I'm wrong. You got 5 3/4 inches clearance to the drawers, but it's 7.5 to the top. But what matters is you got 5 3/4 to the drawers, which is a pretty good bit. If you've seen how that one's laid out, and I plan on laying this one out very, very similar. This is a KRSC 430 APCMI. The retail on this is $28.80. It's a pretty good bid. I didn't pay that. I was able to get a deal on it. I don't really think I can talk about how much I paid for it, but I bought it legitimately. My son helped me get it. That's a small hint, and he's going to school right now. But I won't get any more into that. Good price on it though, real good price. Like I said, I've been wanting this for quite some time. Pretty tickled pink about it. So this has a 2,400 pound capacity. You know, I'm not sure if I'll ever get close to that. This is going to have most of my tools that I use around the shop on a regular basis. And it's big enough that I may put my power tools in here now. I'm not sure. I'm gonna start laying it out, figure how everything goes, because I got enough room to where everything, I'll have extra room in the top. And you know, I only use these 4 drawers for the most part anyway, but every single one of them is gonna have extra room in it the way that one's laid out. All the stuff hanging off the sides, I've got something planned for that, and we'll cover that in a different video. Well, we'll cover what I'm doing in a different video, but I can tell you now that I'm gonna take clear PPF, paint protection film, and put it wherever there's magnets or anything that might, you know, hit it. So I won't cover the whole thing in PPF. I'd like to, but that'd be a chore. I'm just going to put it where I've got magnets sticking to the sides. Let's take a look in the bottom drawer. That's where all the foam is, the handle, and the stuff for the speed drawer. I'm not sure how I'm going to use that speed drawer yet, but I think I'm going to have to consolidate a couple of other drawers so I can use that speed drawer a little more efficiently. I don't know. We'll see. Or I may put that speed drawer up here. That may be a plan, and use it the same way I'm using my top drawer in that one. I don't know. So this is all the speed drawer stuff. Handle, hardware. I might have to look a little further, see what that is. These are all the screws for the speed drawer. And here is all of the foam. see one that's tore. Let's see how many there are, because hopefully with this one, there's one extra. Only if this one is long, because the long one is the one that's tore and it goes up here. Okay, that's all for now. There's much more coming. I filmed a whole lot. As you can see, it's already off the pallet. So I filmed that and everything, but I wanted to stop it right here. We'll save the rest for later. I just wanted to introduce it to you. Pretty excited about it. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all come back again, and I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. Well, okay. I really enjoyed it, so I don't know how you can beat that, but y'all take care. Have a great week. See y'all when you come back.